This is called Sutu Plus. This is called SB Time Format Changer. So you see, you change the time format. This is called Theos Auto Installer. Theos Auto Installer, Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Audacity for developers, or Odyssey for developers. This is called Buy Separator Cell. Remove the space between the cells system wide. Definitely my favorite tweak on the list. I would say Lyricify is my favorite, and this is my first favorite. ACC demo. So basically, with this tweak, compatible with 64-bit devices, you can control the speed of a few games. So, Game Jam iOS control the speed of certain apps and games. You can do that with this. And the only thing different about this, which is cool, you can't go negative. In Game Jam, you could go negative, so you can make the speed really slow. On this, you can't go negative, but you can change the speed to 0. And actually freezes, so you can literally freeze the characters and yourself. So I think that's pretty cool. I think it'd be cool if you can freeze everybody but you, so you can just kill the enemies, everybody else is frozen, but it freezes the whole game. That's just how it works. So you have different modes. That's 32-bit support for 32-bit devices. It removes the background and speed pop-up. So just some updates to it, but really cool. It also does have a control center module for this, so you can just automatically turn off and on easily. And you can put custom speed into it from 0 through 100. Choose called Caffeine. Does support iOS 13 to 13.5. This is a control center module that temporarily disables the auto lock. Probably my second or third favorite tweak is called Where, and it's basically a relocate alternative, or basically what it does, you fix your location. So I just don't like about how you have to search it up, because it goes by it's really, you can't really search up Target, Target New Jersey or just Target Burlington. You can't search that up. You gotta see put in the full address, and then I don't know. I don't really like it too much. I prefer relocate. I just wish relocate worked better, because if iOS 13 devices, it's really glitchy. But this is a great alternative. And the great thing about this I like is that they added their own control center, which I love, so you can easily turn off and on through the control center. Next is called Glucon, and just submitted. It's actually it should be updated, so this one's actually the old one. It should be a new one, but it just glows your icons, so pretty cool. This is called Call Assist Bar, iOS 13. Incoming call of the game would not be interrupted. This is called Quit All. Requires at least iOS 13. Basically just quits, quits them all. This is called Social Composer, and basically quickly write tweets, messages, and all that good stuff. Have easy access to these social media apps. An alternative to Quit All is called Kill Ets, or Kill Ets Pro. One swipe to kill them all. A great alternative to Call Bar, Ets or Ets, whatever it's called, is called Scorpion, Intrusive Call Interface. Another alternative to that is actually called Call Bubble Beta. And basically what Call Bubble Beta does is Android's incoming call notification is displayed instead of the in-call UI on iOS. This is called Call Art Pro, iOS 8.13, and basically what it does is that it allows you to manage your calls history and delete calls records one by one. So we want an updated version of this. It's called Spotlight Google, and it's a little tweak that makes your life more easier by searching on Google and Wikipedia directly from the Spotlight. And lastly, the last tweak is called Translo modules, and it's a control center module for the tweak Translo, which I showed in the beginning of the video. And I just want to give you guys, so yeah, this is the control center for Translo modules, so you can easily turn off and on. Pretty cool. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. Requires obviously the Translo tweak. And I just want to go through some updates of the original Translo tweak, which I forgot to mention. So add an activated listener, removes Fletch app, because with the latest Fletch, you can select description label, so you can use text selection button to translate Fletch description. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.